So this video is about automation and workflow. This is our 13th video. So how to build your first workflow automation inside the Zapify.io Zap account. So let's go to automation and then workflow. Here, workflow. And then we just wait for a moment. Then create workflow or pick or we could create from scratch or select a pre-built template. So we could select start from scratch or select from template. So we have lots of templates here depending on what business we have. So here we have options on what to choose here. So set your trigger, what starts which what starts the workflow and add action. What happens next? So let's say for example here, customer appointment. So this is the workflow which has the trigger, this one, which starts the workflow and then the end. Then after that, click save and toggle the workflow to publish and activate it.